Good morning. Please open your cameras, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Mute yourself and open your. Who is G Sudha with ID G Sudha? Is it Trinesh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Trinesh, you are with two IDs.
Good morning,
G
ma'am.
Sudha and Janani Gaddam. Both are your ID.
DC ma'am. Ma'am, only one has mine.
Okay.
I'm in laptop.
Okay. Tejas. Ram Durga is Ambika. Ambika. Nivas. Rakshita. B. Shrenika. B. Shrenika. Jason.
Ma'am,
Mahesh
Jaisal present.
Bhavana. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Smart.
G Bhavana present, ma'am.
Yes, Smart. G. Bhavana.
Ma'am, present.
Ishan Tejas B. Shrenika G. Bhavana. From 5th
Ma'am,
grade. Yes.
today we are doing talent class also.
Oh, we will take, yes, we will take 10-15 minutes for reading and then we will have talent. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to read my favorite chapter, Nanha Funkar.
Nanna Funkar only we will read in Hindi. In English, we will take some lesson that is flying together. Okay. Where are rest of the students? They are not joining.
Ma'am, let's take Wonder Forest.
Sorry.
Wonder Forest.
Under.
Ma'am, we can take second lesson.
Yes.
Wonderful
Wonder
waste.
waste. Yes, we can take that also.
Ma'am, because we read one last time fun day, ma'am.
Yes, we will that. We will read that only. Sujita.
Okay, ma'am.
14. 7, 12.
Maharaj.
Jayendra.
Joining.
Jayendra joined.
Ma'am, Trinesh was to be present.
Is G. G. Shrenika is also there. No? G. Shrenika.
Ma'am, day Trinesh was to be present. Ma'am, Keertana present.
Wait, I'll mark.
Ma'am, Nayak present. Good morning,
Nayak
ma'am.
marked, yes. Deepa.
Ma'am, Trinesh. Ma'am, Rashita
Dinesh
present, ma'am.
marked. Rakshita. I will tell the names. Please don't say. I will tell you after in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Then you can check whether your name is there or not. Just write it in the chat box.
Ram Durga has.
So, which chapter do you want to read? Wonderful Waste? Let me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We want to read that only. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We should
We will
read
be reading that only.
Wonderful Waste, ma'am. वो लेसन तो बोरिंग आएगा.
What happened? Others are not joining. Join.
Around the world. 18 members only there.
19. Aman.
हाँ, हम around the world पढ़ेंगे. मैम सबको संडे थोड़ा वेस्ट लगता है. Song of people.
So, English. We will be taking wonderful waste for reading. Good morning. Wonderful waste for the reading, and then after that you can have your talent. If you want, we will take up.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
kindly mute and open your cameras. You should be
Ma'am,
visible.
तुम हिंदी क्लास में भी ज्वाइन होगे?
Yes, Hindi also. Hindi, English both. I will be taking both today, English and Hindi. So
Good morning, ma'am. Who will take EVS?
today there is no EVS. Today we will have fun day, na? We are having fun day.
English, Hindi.
So on fun day reading we do, na?
Good
Junaid.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
20 only. What happened to others? They are not joining.
Ma'am, 20 only joined, ma'am.
They will come one by one, I guess. We'll be waiting. We'll wait for 5 minutes, then we will start the reading.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, which things we have to take and come, ma'am?
Just no things, only we will have today reading. I will make one by one. Everyone, I will give you chance to everyone to read.
Okay, ma'am.
One by one with your name, I will see and then I'll give you chance to read. Okay?
Hi, Kaushik.
Don't say hello. Who is saying hi, Kaushik? Kaushik is here.
Ishant, ma'am. Ishant, ma'am. गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning.
मैम देखोगे तो
Good morning.
प्रेजेंट कैसे करेगी?
Sorry?
हाय तेजस। आप ये बोलो ना। हाय तेजस। प्रेजेंट करोगे
हाय
तेजस। बॉक्स में कैसे देखेंगे?
तो आप नाम, मैं अपने आप नाम लूंगी ना, आप चैट बॉक्स में नहीं लिखेंगे, मैं खुद नाम लूंगी।
शनमुख सर प्रेजेंट मैम।
Shanmukh, I have written. Kaveri joined. They are joining one by one.
मैम जुनेद also present.
Junaid, I have written. Yes, Junaid, Rish.
Aman also present.
Aman present. Yes.
Hi तेजस।
Don't say hey, hello. Here. Snishka, yes, written. No hi, hello. Manu. Just let me stop talking. Okay, after English reading, do you want me to take dictation?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
आज एक दिन कल
Santin. 25.
we need ma'am.
Sorry?
Dictation please ma'am.
After reading. So let's wait 2 minutes, then I'll start.
Ishant.
Please mute yourself. 5th A and B, mute yourself and open your cameras. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself and join. Open your cameras.
Hi Tejas.
Don't say hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Don't say hi, hello. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have something new to show.
Something new to show. What new?
No, ma'am, something very, very old. When my father was a kid.
Oh.
My father was.
Who is with this ID Kunde Anita? I don't remember actually.
Ma'am,
Sorry? Anita. With the ID Anita. Who has joined with the ID Kunde Anita? Please write your name. Hi Jamalpur, I am Ishant. Who is saying this Jamalpur? Please tell the name that is with
Ma'am, Jendra.
Who is Kunde Anita here? Fifth A and B, kindly write your name. Kunde Anita. Can you listen to me? Please give your name for the attendance. Chika.
Ma'am, Kaushik ma'am.
Kaushik,
Present.
yeah, okay. Okay, Kaushik.
Present.
Present, yes, okay.
Kaushik.
Don't say Junaid, Junaid, Tejas, Aman, Kaushik. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, okay, let's start. They have joined. We will admit them in between, okay? Somebody will join. So, I'm starting with the class, okay? Uddeshri, good morning. Yes, Manu present. Uddeshri present. I have written Manu, Uddeshri. Okay, so I'll wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So I'm presenting you the chapter. Okay. So one by one I will take the name and I'll mark the lines. You have to read the marked lines. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So after we will take this for 15 to 20 minutes we will have reading, and then after for 10-15 minutes we will have that talent work. Okay. And
अरे जाओ
okay.
ना भाई अब मैं अकेले
Okay, first of all, mute yourself. I will take reading. You will get chance to read when you keep yourself mute. Those who will keep unmute, they will not get chance. Keep yourself mute. Yes, mute yourself. And don't present in between. Nobody will present in between. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I am presenting you the chapter.
मैम को शांत करके बोला मैम.
Sorry. Don't chat in the chat box. Your screen will not be visible. So don't chat. I am presenting. So don't present in between. It will stop the presentation.
मैम आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है.
Okay. Now this is your Ishant. Don't present. Ishant.
Ma'am, you're starting with roll number, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar Ravi Kumar Patluri. Who is this? Ravi Kumar.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Wait. I am not presenting now. I will present. Yuva. Who is this with Ravi Kumar Patluri? Is it Arushi? Yuva. Okay. So I am now presenting to you. Open your cameras, okay? Now don't present in between. Nobody will present in between and mute yourself. Those who will keep themselves mute, they will only get chance. Okay?
They are chatting again and again, ma'am.
Don't present again. Don't chat in chat box. My screen will be visible to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Stephen.
Yes, ma'am.
Stephen. Okay. So,
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
My screen is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
It's
Visible, ma'am. Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's visible, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు మంచిగా విజిబుల్ అనిపిస్తుంది. విజిబుల్. మ్యామ్ మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు విజిబుల్. కౌశిక్ యాదవ్.
Okay. So,
మంచి
I I will be present. Yes, Navneet, Vibha present. Okay, I have marked. Okay, so now I am opening the chapter. Unit.
Ma'am,
Wonderful.
voice is not clear. Ma'am, voice is not clear.
Please, if your voice is clear to me, if somebody
Voice is not clear, ma'am.
if my voice, if you think my voice is not clear,
Ma'am,
please leave the class and join again.
not clear.
Leave the class and join again if my voice is not clear.
Voice
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Please check your network connection there. There can be problem with the network.
Your voice is clear.
Okay, so now I'm opening the chapter.
Clear.
I'm opening the chapter here.
Your voice is clear only.
Okay, mute yourself now. I'm opening up the chapter.
Teamwork, ma'am.
No, we will be taking flying together. I guess.
Wonderful waste, ma'am.
Wonderful waste.
Ma'am, please.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my shadow.
Wonderful waste. I have here. Okay.
Ma'am, wonderful.
Let's start.
Wait, I'm opening that. Wonderful waste.
Ma'am, start the class, ma'am.
Yes. Please mute yourself and I'll take the name one by one now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Your voice is clear.
I know. So don't. Okay, now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
We will be taking wonderful waste. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will mark the lines and I will say one by one to you to read. Okay. So, B. Shrinika, mute yourself. Now.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
So, first I will be taking from 5th A. One by one I will take the names, okay? Those who have joined, one by one. So, first one, let's start with Vibha. Vibha, can you hear me? 5th A, Vibha. She joined, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Vibha, I am marking the lines and you have to read, okay? Okay. Read from here to.
Ma'am, screen group, ma'am.
Sorry?
Can you make
You are not audible. Make the screen what?
picture? Ma'am, the picture is not.
I will zoom it, okay?
Ma'am.
I will zoom it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, till here. Okay.
Ma'am, your line is not clear.
Okay, so now this is visible. Vibha, read the lines. Marked lines. Once Maharaja
Once the Maharaja of
Travancore
ordered a grand dinner
in his
place
in his palace.
In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes.
Survey the dishes.
Survey the dishes
That had been.
prepared for the feast.
Okay, good. Yes. Next from 5th B. 5th B. First we'll be read by Trinesh. Trinesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Trinesh, read this. Trinesh, read the same para.
Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey.
Survey.
The dishes that
Survey.
had
This is survey.
survey. The maid had been prepared for the feast.
Okay, good. Next from fifth A. Fifth A.
to read.
Fifth A. Reshma.
To read.
Yeah, I'll give you chance. Okay, let's take the boy, one boy name. Okay, fifth. From fifth A, boy next will be Kaushik. K. Kaushik. Kaushik. Kaushik is here. K. Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushik.
Ma'am.
Kaushik, I am marking the lines. You have to read. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
From here to here. Read.
What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He
Scraps.
asked the cook. Basket of scraps of near
Scraps.
the
It is scraps.
cook. Scraps.
Yes. Next. Basket near the cook. Okay. Very good. Next from fifth B. After Dinesh.
I want to
Wait. Everyone will. First of all, wait. I will take the name one by one. Everyone will get chance. If you will do like this, nobody will get chance. Let me take one by one name. Okay. So from fifth B, Ambika. Ambika is here. Ambika. Ambika. Can you hear me? Ambika. Ambika is not here. Okay. Nivas. 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 Rakshita. Rakshita. Rakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the marked lines.
The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away."
Very good. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." Good. Okay, Rakshita. Next from fifth A. Fifth A. Kaushik has read now. Okay.
I want to read.
From fifth A now, Sujita. Sujita.
Ma'am.
Sujita, read the lines. Marked lines. I will take one by one. Wait. Sujita, read the lines.
With those vegetable scraps, he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook.
Okay, good. Very good. Next from fifth B. Fifth B, Aman. Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Read. Read the marked lines.
The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them
Away.
You cannot waste all these pieces of vegetables."
Yes, good. Very good. From fifth B. Okay.
Ma'am, I will read.
Fifth A. Now from fifth A. G. Shrinika. G. Shrinika. G. Shrinika.
Ma'am. B Srinva.
G. Shrinika. Yes, read.
to read, ma'am.
Wait, you will get the chance. One by one, everyone will get the chance. G. Shrinika.
Of travel on court, ordered a grand dinner in his
Palace. Very good. Very good. I'm giving now small lines so that I can finish everyone. Okay. G Shrinika. Okay, good. Next from fifth B. Fifth B.
Rinika ma'am.
Fifth B. Manu. Manu is here. Manu. Fifth B. Manu.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Jisnika ma'am. I did not read.
G Shrinika. B Shrinika read. Okay, next time I'll take G Shrinika. Okay.
Also ma'am.
Manu. Manu. Manu, can you hear me?
मैम मैंने भी रीड नहीं किया.
Manu is here in the class, but what happened? Manu? Okay, Nayak. Nayak.
Ma'am, I want to read ma'am.
Okay. Manu is not. Shanmukh. Shanmukh.
Ma'am.
Shanmukh, read the lines.
In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So next from fifth A. Wait. Okay, next. Fifth A. From fifth A, next is Junaid. Junaid Khan. Junaid,
Okay, ma'am.
read the marked lines. Read the marked lines.
Find a way to use them. The Maharaja
Commanded.
commanded
No, teacher.
Sternly.
sternly and walked away.
Okay, good. Very good. Next from fifth B. Fifth B. Uddeshri. Uddeshri.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uddeshri is here.
Ma'am, Swati. Ma'am.
Swadika, yes. Wait, I'll give the chance. Uddeshri, read the marked lines. Uddeshri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mark the lines. Read these lines. I have marked. Read the lines.
Okay. Listen.
What happened? Uddeshri, you can't see them? These lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Then read. Start reading. The cook. Read. Read the lines. Uddeshri,
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see, ma'am.
see here. If you can't see, leave the class and join again. Okay, instead of Uddeshri, I'll take some other. Okay, I am telling. Wait.
मैम सांगी.
Swati.
Banu. Banu is here. Banu.
Yes ma'am.
Banu, read the lines. Mark lines.
मैम मेरा चार्ज नहीं है.
Sorry.
The cook was in.
मेरा भी चांस नहीं है, मैम.
हाँ, सबको चांस मिलेगा. Wait. I am take marking which names are over. I am marking them. So wait. Wait for the chance. Banu, read the marked lines.
The cook was in a fix and kept
Staring, not starting. Kept staring.
at the vegetable scraps of some time.
For some time. This is staring. Okay, next. Same. Fifth A. From fifth A, Tejas.
The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time.
Good. Very good. Next from fifth B. Fifth B. Nayak is here. Nayak.
Ma'am.
Nayak, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read these
Yes,
lines. Read the lines.
Okay, ma'am. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja
Commanded
commanded
sternly,
Stanley and
walked,
up,
walked away.
walked away.
Yes, good. Next, from fifth A, Ishant is here. Ishant. Ishant from fifth. Ishant from fifth A. Is he here? I think he is not here. Stephen.
Ma'am, I am here, ma'am.
Ishant is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Ishant? I think he is not here. Okay, Stephen, can you hear me? Fifth A. Stephen is also not here. Navneet,
Yes, ma'am.
Navneet, read the lines.
He took all the vegetables bits, wasted them,
Wash them,
cleaned them,
washed them, wash them,
washed them, and cleaned them
cleaned them well. Okay, good. Cleaned them well. From fifth B. Fifth B, Jazel is here.
I will read my
Jazel,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm marking the lines. Read.
Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed on the fire to cook.
Very good.
Next,
Okay. Mark, you have to just read the mark lines. Okay, over. Fifth A, Praharshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Praharshita. Okay, can you hear me?
मैम तुम बोले कि
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
इसका चांसेस बढ़ता है अभी तक मैं म्यूट में
Next,
रखी
he
हूँ
ground some pressed coconut, green chilies, and garlic together.
Very good. Next, from fifth A, children are less. From fifth B, they are more. Okay. Fifth B, Brunda.
मैम
Brunda is here.
तब से म्यूट करके रेडी हूँ
Brunda, can you hear me? Brunda, please say yes. My audio is available, not working from stick. Okay, no problem. Brunda is not here. Manu, can you hear me? Manu, read the lines.
I'm Sanvi.
Manu, read the lines.
Ma'am, Manu का चांस हो गया मैम.
He didn't read at that time. He was not there. Manu, read the lines.
Some salt to the vegetables.
Okay, good. Cooking vegetables. Yes. Okay, next from Fifth A. G Shrinika. Now not B. G Shrinika. G.
Ma'am.
Okay. G Shrinika.
Name also great.
Ma'am.
G Shrinika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read. G Shrinika. Read the lines.
Himanshi, ma'am.
Yes.
It smells starting cooking from the pot. Now he
Whipped.
whispered
Whipped.
some curd and add
Added.
some curd and add it to curry.
Okay. Good. Very good. So next.
Himanshi, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Swatika, ma'am.
Yes. I'll wait. 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 I'll give. So now next from fifth B. Ruchika. Ruchika.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the marked lines?
तुम कब से चांस दूंगी कौन म्यूट
Fifth B.
कब से मैं म्यूट मुझको चांस नहीं दे रहे
If you will say like this, then okay. Read. Ruchika.
He also
Poured a few
of coconut oil and
decorated
with curry leaves.
decorated the dish with curry leaves. Okay. Good. From fifth A. Now from fifth A. Reshma. Reshma is here. Reshma, can you hear me? Can you see the lines?
Yes, ma'am, you can zoom.
Okay. Now can you see the lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the lines. Read the lines.
Lo and behold,
Lo and behold. Lo and behold.
the new dish was ready. The cook served this to the guests that evening.
Very good. Okay, same lines will be read by Kirtana. Kirtana,
Yes, ma'am.
fifth. Kirtana, read the same lines. Kirtana, read the same lines. Pink, marked.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who is saying hello?
Ma'am, I want one chance, ma'am.
Wait, I'll give you. When I took your name, you were not here. Now wait for some time.
Lo and behold,
Ma'am.
that the new
The new dish. The new dish.
was ready. The
Then
cooking
gets-
service.
The cooking. The cook. The cook. It is the cook.
The cook served
This
the
new
new
dish.
dish
This new dish served. It is not served.
to the
Served.
to the
Guest.
guest the
Go guest nahi guest. To the guest that evening.
that evening.
Yes. Okay. Practice it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next from fifth A, Reshma. Okay. Akshaya. Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandra. Okay. Akshaya, read the lines.
Everyone was eager
Eager.
to know the name of the new dish.
Hmm.
The cook thought and thought.
Very good. From fifth B, Yuva. Yuva, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuva, read the same lines.
Every
everyone. Yuva, can you hear me? Yuva, I think some problem is there with her.
Ma'am, Swatika ma'am.
Yuva is not able to read. I think Dinesh. Next, Dinesh, read the same lines.
Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought.
Very good. Next from fifth A, Jayendra. Jayendra, fifth A. Jayendra, can you hear me? Jayendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the mark lines, Jayendra.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Then a name
Came, not camed. Came.
came to his mind. He named it Alvi.
Alvi, not Alvi. See it again. A wheel. A wheel. Okay. Okay, good. Next from fifth B. Deepa. Deepa is here. Deepa. Deepa.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I want to read now.
Oh, yes, I'll give next chance. Okay.
Evil became famous all over Kerala.
Kerala.
And is no one
Now.
of the dishes
Now, one of the dishes.
one of the dishes in a
Traditional Kerala. Okay, good. From please mute if someone's voice is coming. Okay, from fifth A, Rohita. Rohita, can you hear me? Rohita. I think she is not here. Ishant is here. Rohita. Okay, read the same lines, Rohita. If you can see the lines.
Anvil became
A whale became famous.
famous all over Kerala and is
Now.
one of the dishes in a
Traditional
Kerala
feast. It is feast. Okay, good. Next, fifth B. Fifth A, everyone. Fifth B. Fifth B. Yuva has not read. Sunishka,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm marking the lines that you have to read. Okay, read.
A tempting smell started coming from the top
Pot.
pot. Now
Pot. It's not top. Pot.
pot. Now he wiped some curd on the and added it to the curry.
Okay, good. Next from fifth A, G Bhavana. G Bhavana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the same lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the same lines. G Bhavana.
Yes, ma'am.
Read a tempting smell.
A tempting smell
Wait. Hello.
from
हेलो यस बोलो शांत आप क्लास में क्यों नहीं हो क्या नहीं आ रहा दोबारा लिंक ज्वाइन करो क्लास से निकलो और फिर ज्वाइन करो ठीक है लीव एंड ज्वाइन अगेन हाँ, तो क्लिक करो लिंक पे और ज्वाइन करो क्लास को, ठीक है? ज्वाइन अगेन विद द लिंक, ओके? ओके, रीड भावना, रीड भावना।
A tempting smell
Started.
coming from the pot. Now he rippled
Some curd.
some curd, adding
It to the.
added into the curry.
Okay, good.
Curry.
Next, fifth B. Fifth B, Sanvi.
Ma'am, Swatika.
Sanvi. After Sanvi, you will get the chance. Fifth B, Sanvi. Is she here?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Sanvi is not here. Sanvi.
Ma'am,
Okay, Swatika, read. Sanvi is not here.
Talent show.
Talent show. Next, we will. Swatika, read.
Ma'am. He also prouded
Poured. Crowded, not poured. A few.
poured a few
Spoonfuls.
spoonfuls of coconut oil and
Decorated.
the dish of with curry leaves.
Yes. Next, Arushi. Fifth B, Arushi.
Ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to. I'm marking. You have to read. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the lines.
Time is over.
Yes. Last. This is Arushi. Read.
Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening.
Very good. Okay. So the class for you have to join the same link in the next class. That will be for Hindi. Okay. With the same link, you will come back. Okay. Am I clear? Sorry.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Next.
What about the talent show? We'll not do today.
We will do today in the next session. Okay. Bye.
Ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Come back with.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Come back with the same link.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Come back with the same link.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Those who are left, they will read. Those who are left, they will read in Hindi. Okay. Hindi class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Leave the class.
Yes, you can leave the class. Hello.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes. Hello. हाँ बोलो ईशान बोलो.
Bye, ma'am.
Hello.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Bye.
Ma'am, we can.
Kindly leave and after 20 minutes come back again.
Ma'am, only this link. Ma'am, we can leave the class.
Yes, you can leave the class. Everyone leave the class and come back at 11. Okay, come back at 11.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Ma'am, this link only.
Yes, same link. Join the same link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am. This link only, ma'am.
Yes, this link. Join with this same link. Hindi reading. Okay.
We can leave, ma'am.
Yes, you can leave now and come back at 11. Okay.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Please leave the class and come back again. Don't. You have a break now. You can eat and do whatever you want. Just
Ma'am,
take a break.
Ma'am.
Take a break and come at 11. I already wrote in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello? Hello? Yes, yes. Don't come now. Don't. Hello? Yes, Ishant. Bolo. आपको हेलो ईशा हेलो पावर है कौन सी पावर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डोंट ज्वाइन नाउ यस करंट यस है क्या हुआ